I want a conditional formatting in this list of data. I just want to make sure that if there are any name which is present in this list appears here, then it should be highlighted. However, I don't need to highlight any cell in my first list. Okay, I need the highlight only in my second list. To do this, we will create a formula. So the formula will be count if, then I will select this range, make it absolute, right? Then I select the criteria and close my bracket, equal to, sorry, greater than 0, right? I will get it true over here. And at the same point of time, what I will do, I will just make this thing absolute, the column absolute, okay, and not the row, right? Now we have to copy this formula, just copy this formula. Now select this data, go to home, go to conditional formatting, click on new rule, select this option, paste this formula, select a format like this and click on OK, click on OK, and here you can see it like this. Now let me put another new name. So I am putting Tim over here, and yes, it has highlighted it green.